Hi friends. Welcome back to our fun drawing time. Today, we are going to draw letter MM is for monkey. Let's start.
Red color.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. Doors on the bus, they open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus, they open and shut all day long. Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 all day long. People in the bus go on.
Goodbye.